Hmm. So in the trend of demolition, Siddharth Residency is not demolished. Ring this bell. So this will create, look, my house got demolished. So after that, masjid got demolished. Huh? So why? Because I gave evidences about this scam, and Chandrakant Nandore demolished my house. Hmm? So in return, Hindus saw that for giving scam details, I gave a detail about the phone plantation by a Muslim in court. A fellow from Gulshan Bagh was in court. So phone location planting. So Handore demolished my house, right? And after that, in return, all the Hindus decided to demolish a masjid. So in later, the trend has started. So in the latest, the tomb demolition was there, right? They wanted to demolish the tomb. So it created riots in Nagpur. Huh? And Siddharth Residency is illegal. I'll tell you what the real thing is. The land was completely a ground. Huh? It's a private land, yes, for sure. It's a private land, but the land belongs to someone from Pakistan. Someone from there. Somewhere, it was a Britannia ground. Huh? So it was a completely, it's a ground. It was a ground. Huh? So builder set on a builder, and he started taking papers from the nearest houses that they'll need a road from here. So in return, you'll get a flat in building, and he took all the house papers. The the house was never, what do you call it? The building flats were never allotted to the people. From the people who they took paper. So it's a fucking scam. Huh? And look, the threats which I'm getting, and all the, what do you call it? Malum padega. So the matter is, malum usko padega. While I got so the thing is, लैंड सर्वर के एविडेंसेस है, झूठे रिपोर्ट्स है, रेट्स राइट्स करवा रहे थे लोग. हाँ, फाइल फॉरेंसिक्स में मेरा नाम है, समझा. ड्राइव चेंज है, किसको क्या मालूम पड़ेगा ना, मालूम पड़ेगा, समझा. तो यहाँ के दलिंदर है तो दलिंदर बन के ही रहने का. चोर है तुम लोग, समझे. कौन है? चोर है. और उसके ऊपर रेस राइट्स, हिंदू मुस्लिम का झगड़ा करा रहे थे, समझे. वो प्रोडक्शन कॉपीराइट्स में सारे हिंदू मुस्लिम सबके नाम पे कर रहा हूँ, फिर प्रोडक्शन जिंदा रहेगा जो राइट्स करा रहा था. प्रोडक्शन जिंदा रहेगा. कॉपीराइट तो मैं सबके नाम पे करेगा, फाइल्स भी वायरल करेगा, मैं सबको, जितने मिनिस्टर्स है सबको देगा, हर एक रीजन के, हर एक स्टेट के, हर एक पार्टी के. डू द हेड काउंट एंड क्लेम द कॉपीराइट्स. यही इसको जो करने का कर. इस टेरिटरी को सिर्फ काम करने का फ्रीडम है, और अगर मेरे को एक डिफेमेशन मिला ना तो आई व्हाट यू कॉल क्लियरेंस भी हटा देगा मैं. समझा. फेक बैंक अकाउंट में सारे प्रोस्टिट्यूट्स है. समझा. मालूम पड़ेगा फिर. तो सिद्धार्थ रेसिडेंसी, those papers to make that building, those papers were taken from the nearest, the few houses were there, 57, 56 houses were there. So those papers were taken, and the flats were never allotted. Same like the Adarsh Gotala. You remember Adarsh Gotala? It's a popular case, Adarsh Gotala. Same thing. It's the same thing. So later it got demolished. So this the one who did this is living there. Husband of Patil's daughter. The three daughters which troubled me the most and triggering misophonia. And Siddharth residency is illegal. And illegal constructions are getting demolished, right? Right? And Siddharth residency is not. It's allotted for the people who are living there. It was a big ground. Vitane ground it's called. Land server details are right there. I'll put in the comment again. The files are the reason for the riots. Hindu Muslim thing.